Okay, some friends of mine have a restaurant and they're going to do something called Taco Tuesday. So I told them I'd make them some t-shirts just for themselves to advertise on their shirts as they're, being the wait staff or whatever for Taco Tuesday. So I found this image on there and I'm going to use this. So what I did was I just opened the trace tool and I traced by color. After I did that, then I was able to move this part out and delete it. So what I've ended up with is this, the taco with these little pieces, and Taco Tuesday. Now I'm wondering how well this is going to fit, and I'm also thinking that rather than having text like this, I think I might like to have it curve and follow the shape of the taco. So I'm going to move these over here for a minute, and I'm going to merge in by going to File and Merge an image of a girl in a t-shirt. This was a free image I found online. It's a mock-up t-shirt. Now their shirts are going to be black, so it's going to be a little bit hard to visualize the text, but not too bad. So I'm going to bring the taco over here. Whoops, I'll need to right-click on her and send her to the back. Bring the taco over. This is just for me to get an idea if I think I'm even going to like this. So I guess I'd put it right about there. And then the word taco would be up above that. So let me write the word taco. Whoopsie. Taco out. All in caps. And I think I will change the font. I wish I had one named Freshman, but I don't have that on this computer. So I'll just go to Impact, I think. And we'll see how that will do. So I would bring that over here. Obviously have to make it quite a bit smaller. I'm going to zoom in so we can see better. But what I want that to do is I want it to kind of curve around to follow, whoops, the kind of the shape of the taco. So to do that, what I think I'll do is come over here and get a circle and kind of make it the same shape as the taco if I can. Kind of, that's perfect, just about. So then all I'm going to do is move this out of the way and move this up here. And I think I'll come up here and change it so there's no fill, so I can more easily see what I'm working with. I'm going to move this down a little bit. Okay. And now I'm going to double click on the word taco so I get the four-headed arrow and bring it down and see if I'm going to like that like that. I think I'd like it closer to the taco so I can, well, no. Let's see what that's going to look like. I don't know. I think what I might like to do is space those letters apart a little bit. So I could come over here to the text tool, and here's where the character spacing is. So I could move those apart if I wanted to, and I think I would like them further apart like that. And of course I want to move them over there. And I do think I want them down a little bit closer maybe. No, let's see. You change those to black just so we can get an idea. Now they're going to be probably the taco color on the shirt. Taco. Okay, and then I can grab that, right click and say convert to path. That will make the words stay that way, and I can, whoopsie, delete this circle. Delete. Delete. Well. Okay. I need to get the select tool. There we go. Now I can delete it. Okay, perfect. Okay, so let's see. That looks pretty good, but I'm a little bit not happy with the way that's tilted. So there. All right, and then the other thing I would do is write Tuesday down here. So again, I'll come over to the text tool and type in the word Tuesday all in caps. And I will once again change that to be impact. And I'm not sure why that didn't change. Just highlight it all, come up here and say impact. All right, there we go. Now I accidentally moved her, so let's put that back. And I've got to make this smaller. It's way too big. Okay. Maybe kind of like that, but I might want to space that out also. So I will come back over here to the text style panel and change the character spacing again. Taco Tuesday, maybe something like that would be cute. I'm going to turn it to black so I can get a better view. And I think that's pretty cute. Let's zoom out so we can see. I'm not sure if I like how I did the word taco. Taco Tuesday. I wonder if it would have been better if it had been straight. Let me try it. Let me move this one out of here for a minute. And let me just write it in there straight across instead. And again, I'm going to change it to impact. And I'm going to change its size a little bit down. And change the letter spacing a little bit, or the character spacing. Make it black. Wonder if I'd like it better just right on top of the taco. Wonder what that would be like if I was to just punch that out of the taco. Oopsie. That. And the black of the shirt would show through. Not sure. I think I actually did like it rounded better, so I'm going to round this again. Actually, I'll just bring that one back over. I'd like to make it smaller. Taco. Taco Tuesday. That's kind of cute. I'm kind of liking that okay. I'm a little worried about how this will fit across the bust of any of the ladies, but I think I'll go with that. So that's pretty much how I decide how I'm going to do these things. Now what I am going to have to do is, I guess I will make the text out of the same yellowish color that I'll make the taco out of. I'm not going to put these little pieces in there. Let me get rid of this stuff and let's look over here and see what it's going to look like when I go to make it. Of course, I guess I'll need to get rid of this image too, or take it off of there at least. Just delete it. I'm going to group all of this together. And pretty cute, pretty cute. I think I will just go over here to send and let's check it out. So if I go to send to fill, okay, something's weird because something's still over there. So let's go back to the design and see what's happening here. This, I'm not sure what else is on here. Let's delete this box. Not sure what that was. And now let's go to send and the fill colors. Okay, what's happening here is this is just considered a pattern because I didn't actually color these. When I did the save by color, that would have worked for a print then cut, but I'm not doing that. So let's go back, scroll way in, ungroup this, and ungroup this, and let's see what we got. That's all grouped together. I've got to change this to green. Okay, and then I'll change these. I'll hold down my shift key and grab just the brown ones. I'll change those to brown. Change the red ones to red, obviously. And change this guy. I just want it one solid color. I'm not going to do those little dots. And I'll change the word taco. It's already black, and that is black. Okay, so let's put it back together and see what happens now. Oh, I wanted to group these guys. Let me Control Z, group the two red ones together. Control G, I think, groups. I think I'll put this stuff over here first so I can see where things go. Okay, that's the lettuce. And I don't mind if some of the black shows through of the shirt when I do this. I probably want to bring this to the front and bring, oh, I thought I grouped those. Let me group these brown ones. Select them all by holding down my shift key and then right click and say group. And bring them over here. And then I'll just group all of it. It's still pretty dang cute. So I'll go over to send. And this time when I go to fill, I have all the colors that I need. So I'm going to go start making this. I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors. But rather than this being black, I'm going to make it white. So, oh no, the yellow color too. So I don't get confused. I'm going to go back to design. And what I think I will do is ungroup it for a moment. And this time make it large again so I can see what I'm doing. Grab this and hold down my shift key and grab the word taco and come up here and change those to the same color that the taco actually is, like that. But I think that will look okay. And one way we can tell for sure is I can pretend I'm putting it on a black shirt by just make a big square and change this square to be black. And then right click on it and say send to back, and then I can see how that's going to look. And I think that's going to look really cool. So I'm pretty happy with that, and I think they'll like it as well. So I can get rid of this, delete the black, and I can go, I think this is all grouped. Let me group it in case it's not. And then go to send. And here we, oh, these aren't exactly the same color, I guess. No, they're not. Let me fix that. Design. Ungroup again. And not sure how they didn't turn out being the same color. That, okay, is that. Okay, and then these should be the same. And I'll come up here and get the last color. So now they should be the same. So let me get this here. And this here, kind of get in a little closer so I can see what I'm doing. I'm thinking that looks really, really good. I like it. So I'll just group it again. Go to send. And let's see what we got this time. Yes, good. All of the taco and the words are the same color, the browns, the reds. Okay, I'm going to go make it. I just wanted to show you this is the way that I get ready to do something. Okay, I finished making the shirt. As you can see, this person wanted a small version of the little design up in the upper right-hand corner of her shirt. So I hope you enjoyed watching how I kind of worked through trying to figure out what I'm going to do for a t-shirt. If you like my videos, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe and comment and share. I'm still trying to get to 20,000 subscribers. So if you share, that'd be really terrific. Also, join me over at my website, pattyantsplace.com, and I'll have a link for that down below, as well as links to a few other things that I have there. So thanks again for joining me. See y'all again soon. Taco Tuesday. Bye-bye.